Lesson: Contingency Planning for AI Failures. Contingency planning for AI failures is an essential aspect of risk management in AI systems, given the significant impact these failures can have on businesses, individuals, and society at large. The development and deployment of AI technologies come with inherent risks, including algorithmic bias, data breaches, model inaccuracies, and system malfunctions. Addressing these risks requires a proactive approach, and contingency planning is a critical component of this strategy. By focusing on actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks, professionals can effectively manage and mitigate the risks associated with AI failures. One of the primary tools in contingency planning for AI failures is the Failure Mode and Effects Analysis Framework. FMEA is a systematic approach used to identify potential failure modes within a system and assess their impact on operations. By applying FMEA to AI systems, organizations can anticipate possible points of failure and develop strategies to prevent or mitigate these failures. This framework involves creating a detailed list of potential failure modes, analyzing the causes and effects of each failure, and implementing measures to reduce the likelihood of occurrence. To illustrate the application of FMEA in AI systems, consider a case study involving an AI-based autonomous vehicle. An FMEA analysis might identify potential failure modes such as sensor malfunctions, software bugs, or incorrect decision-making algorithms. For each failure mode, the analysis would assess the severity, occurrence, and detection probability, allowing the organization to prioritize risk mitigation efforts. By implementing redundancy in sensor systems and rigorous software testing protocols, the likelihood and impact of these failures can be significantly reduced. Another practical tool for contingency planning is the use of AI model monitoring and alerting systems. These systems continuously track the performance of AI models in real time, detecting deviations from expected behavior and triggering alerts when anomalies occur. Such monitoring systems are essential for maintaining the reliability and accuracy of AI applications, particularly in critical sectors such as healthcare and finance. For instance, a study on AI in healthcare demonstrated that real-time monitoring of AI diagnostic tools helped identify and rectify inaccuracies promptly, thereby preventing potential harm to patients. In addition to monitoring systems, the implementation of rollback mechanisms is crucial for effective contingency planning. Rollback mechanisms allow organizations to revert AI models to a previous version in the event of a failure. This can be particularly valuable when new model updates introduce unforeseen errors or biases. By maintaining a repository of past model versions, organizations can swiftly restore a stable and reliable model, minimizing the impact of failures on operations. An example of this approach can be seen in the financial industry, where firms frequently utilize rollback mechanisms to address issues arising from algorithmic trading errors. Effective contingency planning also involves the establishment of a robust incident response plan. This plan outlines the steps to be taken in the event of an AI failure, ensuring a coordinated and efficient response. Key components of an incident response plan include identifying the incident response team, defining roles and responsibilities, and establishing communication protocols. Additionally, the plan should include procedures for conducting post-incident analyses to identify root causes and implement corrective actions. A well-documented incident response plan can significantly reduce downtime and mitigate the negative consequences of AI failures. A case study from the transportation sector highlights the importance of incident response planning. In 2018, an autonomous vehicle operated by Uber was involved in a fatal accident. The incident underscored the need for a comprehensive incident response plan, as the lack of immediate action and communication exacerbated the situation. By learning from such incidents, organizations can develop more effective response plans, enhancing their ability to manage AI-related risks. In the realm of ethical considerations, contingency planning must also address the potential biases inherent in AI systems. Algorithmic bias can lead to discriminatory outcomes, making it imperative for organizations to identify and mitigate bias through rigorous testing and validation processes. The development of fairness metrics and bias detection tools can aid in evaluating the fairness of AI models and ensuring compliance with ethical standards. For instance, the AI Fairness 360 Toolkit, developed by IBM, provides a set of algorithms and metrics to help practitioners detect and mitigate bias in AI models. Moreover, contingency planning should include regular training and awareness programs for employees and stakeholders. Educating individuals about AI risks and contingency measures is crucial for fostering a culture of responsibility and preparedness. Training sessions can cover topics such as identifying early warning signs of AI failures, understanding the limitations of AI models, and effectively utilizing contingency tools and frameworks. By empowering employees with the knowledge and skills needed to address AI failures, organizations can enhance their resilience and adaptability. In conclusion, contingency planning for AI failures is a multifaceted process that requires the integration of various tools, frameworks, and strategies. By leveraging FMEA, model monitoring systems, rollback mechanisms, incident response plans, and bias detection tools, organizations can proactively manage the risks associated with AI systems. Real-world case studies and examples underscore the importance of these measures and highlight the potential consequences of inadequate contingency planning. As AI technologies continue to evolve, professionals must remain vigilant and adaptable, continuously refining their contingency plans to address emerging challenges and ensure the ethical and responsible deployment of AI systems.